My name Farda, Welding Technology student SMK 2 Banda Aceh. I will teach how to stick welding machine or operate. Please note. 1. Check the power to connection. Ya. Kabel. Open to argon gas valve. 3. Just welding with RSU a thick welding 6 psi. Connect to negative cable to a stick welding machine. Okay. Connect to positive cable gas hose and sweep flow. Yes. Turn on thick welding machine. Set the current for welding. This. Okay. Okay. Place negative clamp to welding table. Oh. Who are you? Yes. Okay. Place the work piece to a welding table. 9 welding torch direct to the workpiece and press to button on the welding process. Let is 3 to do the welding. Okay. Excellent. Macam bapak juga tahu.
Yes, this is process stick welding by Farda SMK 2 Banda Aceh.